Hello Mustangs, welcome back to Mustang News. My name's Liv.
And I'm Tahira. To start off episode 16, we have the weather, a basketball game, Get Sturdy, an update on the reality show, teacher breaks, and bloopers.
After that, we'll see an ACES score update, a whiteboard challenge, Chubby Bunny, a teacher spotlight, mystery boxes, teacher of the year,
and a special something fun to end off the semester.
That was good.
Congratulations to Miss Mann for winning Teacher of the 22-23 school year.
Excited you're here because we get to officially announce that Miss Mann is our 22-23 Teacher of the Year for
We are so glad to have you as a teacher at O'Henry.
Quick disclaimer, if you do not know what Chubby Bunny is, it is where you try to fit as many marshmallows in your mouth and still be able to hear you say Chubby Bunny.
Don't go! Oh.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I'm done!
Oh my God!
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Sin City was made.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Talk. Go away.
Baby, bye, bye, bye.
That's 7. This is 8. 9.
Let's go.
Chubby Bunny.
Voice it.
Hold the bag though.
Wait, don't.
Okay, you're out. You're out. Pick it up.
Good morning, O'Henry. Today we're going to have a high of 53 and a low of 36 as we see those temperatures decrease from today and on. Today, Tuesday, it's going to be cloudy, but by Thursday we're going to see sunny skies and then a very hard freeze with temperatures dipping down into the mid to lower teens, and we'll see freezing until Sunday with lows. Sadly, though, there will be no precipitation, so you will not see any snow during this winter break, and definitely no chance of a white Christmas. But anyways, I hope you have a wonderful winter break with temperatures seeing about the 50s and 40s, and I like weather.
Okay, got it.
What is something your students have taught you?
Students over time have taught me a lot of things. First of all, how to laugh, because teenagers do very funny things. How to be frustrated at people, like Pace, and a lot of patience.
What is your hidden talent?
I can hang upside down by my toes. Total taught 12.
And what is your biggest pet peeve?
My biggest pet peeve is students that break pencils I give them and throw them around the room.
Today we're going to be going on a field trip. People, let's
forecast is extra spicy and hot. Let's walk out here. As you can see, I beam like the sun. It's very hot. How do you feel? I am the one that knocks. I really don't care. So, what's your favorite color?
My favorite.
Don't care. Dude, what the heck happened to your lips? Don't care. Okay, we made up. Today we're filming ASMR. ASMR. What is your favorite?
My favorite what?
Your favorite.
Probably my favorite.
Valid. Today, we're going to be interviewing little kids who are trapped outside. How do you feel about being trapped outside?
It's not fun.
Too bad, so sad. We gotta go. That's Miss Philpott. That's the end of today's episode. Bye bye.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched our Happy New Year's into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care.
Happy holidays!
I got this feeling on the summer day.
Go.
Happy winter.
See you in 2023.
Who's James?
I don't know.
Into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it.
See you next semester.